Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Just wondering, are you doing Christmas cards this year? It's been a while since I've actually sent out some Christmas cards, but I really am planning to do some this time. I have a box a box of cards that I still have several in. I still like the lovely messages. And I'm determined, to send some out this year. What do you guys think? Do you send out Christmas cards? Do you still enjoy them? Is it still fun getting them in the mail? I know when my daughter was little, I used to, it was a great way of keeping in touch and letting everyone see how well she was growing, and you do the family picture, all dressed up in your Sunday best for your Christmas photo. But with everything being online now and just people not having as much time or us handling regular US mail anymore, I think the Christmas cards have kind of dropped off. And I've had a couple of requests from my fellow vloggers to reignite the passion for Christmas cards, and so I am going to at least send out a couple to them. I wanted to show you guys have probably seen the pop-up Christmas cards. These can be a little pricey if you buy them singly. I don't know if that's a word, but if you buy them one by one at the store, or even online, I've seen them from in the $10 range on up per card. But this particular card I was happy to find at Aldi. You know, Aldi has like a variety of things. I was surprised to see the Christmas cards. You open it up and you can still write a nice message inside. But they had these, and they had several designs at Aldi, a fraction of the price. I want to say a quarter of the price. So if you have an Aldi near you and you like to stop in, maybe that's one more thing you can look for when you're there, and get out a fun Christmas card this year. If you are going to send some cards, or you have a list that's super long, let me know. I would love to know how many of you are keeping those traditions going, sending out your Christmas cards. Do you have a whole list? Do you have a spreadsheet? Do you send them digitally? How are you sending your Christmas cards this year? Well, I hope you are able to spread some joy, some holiday cheers with your family and friends across the country or around the world, even with a simple Christmas card. Again, check out your local Aldi for some fun pop-up cards, and I hope you really enjoy them.